Hi everyone, what an amazing day. We've just caught the shuttle bus back from the Flower Dome. We've come back to the Jurassic Nest just to have a refreshments before going into the Floral Fantasy. Without a doubt, the most beautiful garden I've ever seen. Sit back and enjoy this wonderful garden without any commentary. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. These amazing frogs are from the family of the poison dart frogs. There's a theatre here which is like a 4D experience, very good. Don't forget the availability before you travel to these venues. This is the first day it was open for 2 weeks. I've left a lot of the narration out of this video as the original soundtrack with the sound effects of the music and the water is beautiful. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy our informative vlogs. Love bringing them to you. Just leaving you with a compilation of amazing photographs from inside the Floral Fantasy. Thank you so much for watching. It's our last day in Singapore. We fly out tomorrow back to Brisbane. Our next vlog will be on Sydney. We have gone to Sydney and taken a cruise back from Sydney to Brisbane. So I'll bring you the vlogs on those. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.